Yung cancer comes from a single cell. Treatment is not just 1 week, it's several months or it's several years. So hindi ka nag-iisa. In this journey, we walk with you all throughout the way. House of Hope actually is a charity that I helped establish in 2004. That's why it's called House of Hope, kasi yung transient homes namin, lalo na dito sa Southern Philippines Medical Center and doon sa Davao Regional Medical Center, these are places where people from outside of Davao City can stay for free. Para yung mga anak nila kahit pabalik-balik sa hospital, meron silang place to stay, which we want to ensure that has a safe and a healing environment for children and their families.
What is House of Hope's goal, and where is it located?
The goal of House of Hope Foundation is really to ensure that bawat bata na nakikita namin, whether here sa Southern Philippines Medical Center or dun sa mga shared care facilities natin in Davao Regional Medical Center in Tagum, Northern Mindanao Medical Center in Cagayan de Oro, meron din tayo sa Lavinia, sa Valencia Bukidnon, and then also at General Santos City na meron din tayong mga staff doon sa St. Elizabeth Hospital. So ito yung mga places where, if they want to have access support ng House of Hope, they can go to and they could refer kung saan yung appropriate na facility that works best for them.
Do you also help with their other needs apart from the medicines?
I think what is unique with the House of Hope Foundation is we step in all of the gaps. So we don't say na we'll only provide medicine, kasi ang goal natin is really for a child to be given the best opportunity na makatapos talaga siya ng treatment, because that's the best possible outcome for patients. Tumutulong naman kami kung anong kailangan nila, whether it is medicines, whether it is transport. So that's where House of Hope comes in.
Why is there a need to shoulder other expenses?
Ang cancer kasi, it happens, but life also happens. Some of them sometimes will drop out or abandon treatment, which is really very bad. Yung cancer comes from a single cell. And the goal of treatment is really to eliminate all of these cells. That's why the treatment is not just 1 week, it's several months or it's several years. So it requires na kailangan pabalik-balik tayo sa hospital. And some people fail to do that. When patients abandon treatment and mag-relapse yung sakit nila, it's harder to treat. Mas malaki yung gastos natin. Tsaka yung mga nagastos natin noon is going to be wasted. Yung chances of cure sa bata is also diminished. Mahirap kasi dito sa Mindanao. People live in far-flung areas. Paminsan-minsan, ultimo lang yung pupunta sila sa highway, parang hirap.
How many patients is House of Hope supporting?
Every year, we diagnose 200 new cases of pediatric cancer. Meron pa yung mga ongoing na mga 80 to 100 patients na ongoing treatment. Apart from having Southern Philippines Medical Center as the beneficiary of House of Hope Foundation, tumutulong din tayo sa mga other areas. Pinaka-recent namin is Davao Oriental Provincial Medical Center in Mati City.
Given that HOH is supporting so many patients, what are the challenges that the foundation is facing?
Particularly, dumadami yung patients kasi hindi lang naman yung bagong pasyente ang tinutulungan natin. Tumutulong pa tayo dun sa mga pasyente na dati na na-diagnose and ongoing treatment.
What expenses does the House of Hope Foundation cover?
The thing with House of Hope Foundation is we cover for hindi lang medicine, kung ano yung kailangan. Kung kailangan ng surgery, tapos may kailangan na supply or may kailangan na special equipment, basta kailangan ng bata, we will provide for that. Kung halimbawa, hindi natin ma-diagnose dito, kailangan natin padala sa Amerika or kailangan natin ipadala sa Singapore kasi importante yung correct diagnosis, we also facilitate that. Kung halimbawa hindi enough yung PhilHealth mo para bayaran yung radiation therapy, let's say may naiwan ka pa na 40,000, kung halimbawa na exhaust na natin lahat na pwedeng matulong dun sa bill mo for radiation therapy, we will step in the gap, we will provide for that. There was a time na isang linggo parang may 3 or 4 ako na ganyan. That's already 160,000. Wala pa yung mga hinihingi na gamot ng dito sa ating major beneficiary, but also in other places.
How do you support the families throughout their entire journey?
You know, I'm always thankful sa Davao community. We have a community of people here who support you. So, hindi ka nag-iisa. In this journey, we walk with you all throughout the way, whether your child survives or not. Siyempre, masaya kami if the child survives, pero alam naman natin hindi lahat ma-save natin, but at least yung mga hindi natin ma-save, at least natulungan natin sila with pain control, natulungan natin sila kung ano yung mga wishes nila. Meron pa rin tayong magagawa.
For those watching who want to donate, why is their help just as important as the work of doctors?
So it's not really House of Hope they are helping, it's actually the children. I'm always thankful to the people na in one way or another, hindi naman sila doktor, at least kahit pa paano, because this requires not only a village, but the work of many hands. For me, as an oncologist, with the realization na if I can cure a child, at least I can care for a child. And yung caring naman is hindi lang naman doktor yun eh. I mean, anybody can do that.